We are in 2024 and in my opinion, opening a digital download shop from scratch needs a total revamp due to market saturation. With more people discovering the benefits of selling digital products, the competition is higher than ever. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can overcome the challenges of a saturated market and which steps you should follow to start a successful shop by selling digital products. I'm also going to share some additional tips, so follow along the video to make sure you don't miss them. If you want to create digital products, the first thing you need to do is research all the shops that have succeeded and done super well in the last 12 months. I'll start by searching on Etsy and checking the best sellers and popular products using Rocketfy's extension, or I can go to product research from the Rocketfy dashboard to find best-selling shops and products by entering a product, keyword, or category. If you're unsure what to enter, consider conducting keyword research beforehand. I filter the results by total revenue, skip listings older than 12 months, and analyze the best-selling stores in my niche. Do this until you collect a good amount of data from successful sellers, then create your listings around the data you collected. Here's an example of a successful listing. This shop has made almost 42,000 sales. You can collect the tags or materials from the listings you analyze to use as keyword data. Look at this shop. It made more than 100 sales in just a month, and this one has made almost 2,000 sales in just 8 months. I'm showing you this to say, hey, if they can do it, you can do it too. You just need a good strategy and a comprehensive tool like Rocketfy to help you increase your sales in a short amount of time. Let's say this shop is our competitor. Let me give you a sneak peek into how it became so successful and what the metrics of this shop are. We see its creation date and its success metrics. Let's look at the keywords and copy some of them for our shop. If you want to be even better than your competitors, pay attention to what's missing in their shop and improve those in your shop. For example, they didn't pay much attention to their policies or material keywords, so work on your listing optimization and improve these areas to make your competitors fall behind you. Let's talk about the steps you should follow to start a successful shop by selling digital products. First and foremost, define your unique selling proposition. What makes your digital product stand out from the crowd? Maybe it's a unique design style, customizable options, or exclusive content. Identify what sets you apart and highlight this in your shop. Ensure your digital products are well designed and properly formatted. You can design them using Adobe's design tools, Canva, Procreate, Sketch, Figma, and this might seem unconventional, but Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint are surprisingly powerful for creating digital downloads like presentations and ebooks. Another step is to offer a variety of products. Start with a core collection and then expand your offerings based on customer feedback and market demand. Offer customizable digital products. This can set your shop apart, adds value to your product, and enhances the customer experience. By offering personalization options, you can cater to different demographics and customer preferences, and this broadens your market appeal and increases potential customer base. Customers who spend time personalizing their products are more likely to feel a connection to your brand. Seasonal trends can significantly boost your sales. You can utilize tools like Google Trends to identify upcoming trends. For example, with Halloween around the corner, you may consider creating Halloween-themed stickers, digital art prints, or printable party decorations. Or if it's back-to-school season, you can focus on printable planners and organizational tools. There are many product ideas out there. Just do your research, figure out what works for you, and from there, start that Etsy business journey. Legal issues can arise if you're not careful with the content and usage rights of your digital products. Make sure you have the rights to use any images, fonts, or graphics in your products. Include a clear license agreement outlining how your digital products can be used. We keep emphasizing the importance of improving your SEO because this leads to getting your products discovered on Etsy. There are many ways to improve your SEO, and one of them is effective tag usage. Use Rocketfy's keyword and tag research tool to identify the best fit keywords and tags for your products. Once you have a list of potential keywords and tags, Search for products using those on Etsy. Look at what successful sellers are offering and how they are tagging their products. Then create high-quality product previews. Customers want to see what they're buying, so make sure your product images are clear, professional, and showcase your products effectively. If possible, include lifestyle images that show your digital products in use, and add a photo by describing what's included in your listings. Be very clear so that the customer is not confused about any part of your product. Also, it is essential to include a video. You can create a video demonstrating how to prepare or use the product. One common mistake is having inadequate or vague product descriptions. This is very important for your customers. Explain what the product is, how it can be used, and the benefits it offers. Include any necessary usage instructions in the description, in the product image, or in the file you send them. When it comes to pricing your products, the first step is to research your competitors. Look at similar products in your niche and note their pricing, or simply use Rocketfy Listing Checker to see the average pricing for similar products. Create basic, standard, and premium versions of your products. For example, you could offer a basic planner with fewer pages at a lower price and a comprehensive planner with more features at a higher price. Or you can offer discounts for multiple purchases or create product bundles at a reduced price. This will encourage customers to buy more while still feeling like they're getting a good deal. Relying solely on Etsy's search algorithm to drive traffic to your shop can limit your reach. Promote your shop and products on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content that drives traffic to your shop. Additionally, build an email list and send out regular newsletters with updates, special offers, and new product launches. Don't forget to encourage your customers to leave reviews and feature these testimonials prominently in your shop. Positive reviews can significantly boost your credibility and attract more buyers. Respond to questions and messages promptly and show appreciation for feedback. You can generate all your messages with Rocketfy AI Writer, so you don't need to spend too much time on that. Just simply copy and paste and it's done. Finally, analyze your performance and adapt. Failing to use analytics means missing out on valuable insights. Use Etsy's analytics tools to track your shop's performance. Pay attention to what's working and what's not, and be willing to make changes based on your findings. So if you wonder selling digital products on Etsy can become a full-time income, the short answer is yes, it can be. With the right strategies, dedication, and continuous improvement, it is possible to turn your Etsy shop into a full-time business. To do that, stay committed to your goals, keep learning, and be willing to adapt and grow. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be the first one to see our upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video.